Welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn create files and folders in Linux. So let's go to our terminal and we create folders in Linux. We use mkdir commands. It means make directory. So make directory named like Linux. Check through the ls command. Here the Linux directory which we created. And let's move into our new folder or directory by cd commands. We already know that cd command. Cd is stand for current directory. So cd linux. Now we are at Linux directory. The pwd commands stand for the present working directory, and here we are home/jiva/linux directory. Now our directory is empty, so we even not created any files in this directory. We use ll command, so we may notice that output of the ll command is one dot slash two dot slash. The first start with one dot is this is the information about the current file where we are located now, and here is the two dot slash parent folder for our current one. So we also create multiple folders by one command. So start mkdir and name folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, and here you go. Here the folder 1, 2, 3. Here we create multiple folder with mkdir command, ll command. So let's clean this. Okay, now we make mkdir with uppercase folder 1. We already create the folder 1 directory, but now we are creating folder 1 twice with uppercase. So we see that they do or not, and now we check with ll command. Now we can see that the two different folder, one is lowercase and one is uppercase. In this Linux they are two different folders. We already know that Linux is case sensitive, so there are different folder is folder 1, and this is folder 1. The lowercase is different folder. Now clear this. Now we can use mkdir and 2/3/4 cannot create this directory. We want to create nested folder on it. First folder inside this folder, then inside 2 there is 3, inside 3 there is 4 folder. So it's such like that. Make directory dr1 slash dr2 slash dr3. We want to create nested. We put -p end of the command. Here you go. Now this is dr1 is created. Now we go to the dr1, cd dr1, and now inside the dr1 we go dr2. Here we are now in dr2, and now we also go dr3. We are at Linux. Inside Linux dr1, and so if we go into it cd and go to the directory, and now we are back to our current directory. Here we are at Linux directory. Now we are at drive. Now we use the tree command, then give us the structures so we can understand easily. We find that the tree command not found, but it can be installed. So we install with sudo apt install tree, and sudo needs password. You use this password when you open the terminal. Here now they start downloading. They started to work. So now let's discuss one more case of using mkdir commands. Make directory mkdir and slash my folder. Cannot create directory. This is permission deny error. If that happen, first make sure that where you create a folder they are at right location, or if they are at right location, then we need to call the admin for our command. How do we call the admin? We type sudo command, then type mkdir and slash my folder. Here we created our my folder, but check with ls result. There are no folder level which created. Where is it? It is located not in the current location but in the root of the file system. It is our path for creations other folders started by slash symbol. Here we started with slash symbol, so now we go to the slash symbol ls slash. Now we hear that we are the my folder. Here you see that. So now in the Linux there are different ways to create a files. For first way to create a file is touch command. So clear all this terminal, and now we use touch command, and now we name new file 1.txt, create our txt files. Now the next option is echo command. We use echo with the greater than sign and file name, new file 2.txt. Now we check that here is the file 2, new file 2.txt which we created. Now clear all the terminal. Okay, now next is we use just greater than sign to create files by using greater sign with new file 3 and go. It is created. Now ll command. Now the new file 3 is created. You have noticed our new file have no extension. We did it intentionally. I want to draw attention to the idea that in Linux file extension does not have huge importance as Windows does. Windows have issue and extension, but in Linux it does not have any issue. So in Linux can exist a lot of files without extension at all. They can be image, script, other executable files, and it's okay. In Linux does not care about files extension. It's only for user conviction. So, and the last way to create a file is cat command. So use cat and greater than symbol and new file for the txt, and now we put some text here. So the week works many things they put, and now we type control plus D. They exit your terminal. Enter that, then control plus D. Now we are at our terminal. If you want to check the result, you will use ll, and now here is the new file 4.txt. If you want to check new file, what is written in new file text.txt, type nano new file 4.txt. Here these are the written things, and if you go back to our terminal, press control plus x, then you go back to your terminal. So yeah, that is for today's video. I really hope you found this helpful. If you did, do not forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank a lot for watching. This is Dios, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep learning.